Hiya, it's Adam here, and what we're going to be doing in this video, I'm going to show you 10 ways to make money online. They are all relatively simple. You don't need any specialist or techie knowledge. This information and these websites are being used by people all over the world to make extra income, whether it's part-time income or full-time income. Okay, all it depends on is the time you invest to actually learn these systems and learn how to do this. But believe me, anyone at all can be making extra money online. Okay, so what we'll do now, we'll jump across into the actual screen view, and just stick with me, stay all the way on to the end because I've got a special bonus for you, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks. Okay, so we're onto the actual internet now. We're going to have a look at these websites. Okay, so the first one, let's go across, is a website called Upwork.com. What Upwork does, this links people who are looking for helpers to help them with their businesses, to do work and jobs what they don't have the time to do, so they hire freelancers to make things happen. Now, I use this myself, and I get a lot of work done by Upwork, and I have 3 or 4 girls who work for me on a regular basis, who, when I need stuff done, especially in either the customer service and the virtual assistants, they come in and they help me. You can, depending where you go, you can offer your services on here, especially if you haven't got, sounds a bit horrible, you haven't got any great skills, but you know your way around a computer, you can offer yourself as a virtual assistant. This means people will send you emails and jobs where they need help, whether it's uploading autoresponders, writing stuff, sending out emails, responding to emails, absolutely loads. However, I would think there's a majority of stuff here that people can help with. They're email support experts, live chat, any of these is fantastic. And people are making, in fact, I've had a number of people who have worked with me who have now gone on and now earn a full-time income from this. Okay, so that's number 1, Upwork. Okay, so next we're going to have a look at YouTube. Now, if you don't know anything about YouTube, you can create videos about whatever you want. On here, bit of research, looking into it, you can generate amazing things here. If we look at this, Total Idiots at Work. Okay, this is a compilation video that somebody's been made up. It's had over 1,200,000 views. Now, on a video like this, this company will be getting paid by YouTube for putting these videos up, these compilation videos. And these will stay there and continue to make money, either through affiliate marketing, where they have certain links down here in the actual descriptions, or via YouTube advertising on them. In order for YouTube to advertise on your YouTube channel, you need to have clocked up 4,000 hours of watch time, and have over 1,000 subscribers. However, if you stick with YouTube, you can make an absolute fortune with it. Okay, so after YouTube, we'll go to what everybody would have seen, which is Amazon. I use this, I make a lot of money from Amazon. I'm an Amazon affiliate. Okay, so what this means is any product I find on here, like here, the Echo Show, I can get a link or a text and image link. Okay, this is completely free to join up. The Amazon associates, you just go on, send them your details, and you'll be able to sign up and do this. And then I get a text and image under my code like this. There's a bit of code down here which you copy and paste, and you can paste that into your website, onto your Facebook profile, Instagram. Anybody who clicks through it comes through to Amazon, doesn't even necessarily have to buy the item that you're selling, because they leave cookies on anybody who visits, and you will get between 5 to 10% commission for sending someone to Amazon. So it's dead easy to make money that way, and all you need to do is tell people about it. Okay, so following on from Amazon, we'll stick with Amazon because you have this Kindle Direct Publishing Now, if you enjoy writing and you want to see yourself published, then here you can go onto Kindle. You can write a book, whether it's a factual book, fictional book, whatever you want, and you can submit it and actually get it released on Kindle. Okay, as it says there, self-publish ebooks and paperbacks for free with Kindle Direct Publishing. So you can put that out there. You can charge for people to read your books, look at your books, and make money from it. A lot of people are making a full-time plus income via Kindle publishing. Okay, so if you're a writer, you enjoy that sort of thing, this is definitely one to be looking at. Okay, now, I don't want to show me how. There we go, it's off. Okay, so if you're watching this video, you've probably heard of affiliate marketing and ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is, for me, for most people, this is the easiest one to start with when you're starting affiliate marketing. And what you do, you've got an absolute ton of products on here that you can go in. You get a link for it. It's free to sign up. So if we go down, let's have a look. Health and fitness. Health and fitness. You've got all of this here. As you can see, if you send somebody to this website and they buy from this website, you'll get paid $36. That's on the front end. A lot of these will have back end sales. They'll have different bits and pieces where you can make even more money from. And if you research these products correctly, which I'll do in a different video for you, you will see that you can make hundreds and hundreds of pounds per product that you link to. So if you've got an interest in any of these subjects, there's thousands upon thousands of different products and listings and types of products on here that are all affiliate based. You can go on, promote them to your audience, promote it via social media, YouTube, Facebook, any of that sort of stuff. I'm just going to go and shut Total Idiots because it's still playing in the background. And you can just promote these to people. They click through, you make money. Very, very easy. Okay, on from ClickBank. Everybody's favourite, eBay. My wife, her business is on eBay. She makes a hell of a lot of money selling second-hand clothing and other items that she gets directly onto eBay. She makes an absolute fortune doing it. My wife's got no technical knowledge. She's never studied at college for computers or anything like that. She's completely self-taught on eBay. And like I said, her whole business now, she's quit the rat race. She just works for herself, works when she wants, and she makes an absolute fortune off of eBay. So highly recommended. A very, very easy beginner level thing to get into. Okay, now if you're a photographer type and you enjoy photography, you can sign up and become part of Shutterstock. What Shutterstock is, it's a marketplace where people sell photographs, images, GIFs, all sorts of things. So people out there like myself who build websites and do a lot of digital marketing, I come to Shutterstock, I buy a photo off of Shutterstock of whatever it is. Let's have a look. Online make money. So we should have plenty of pictures. What I do, I come along, I purchase one of these pictures, and if it's your picture that you've uploaded and you've put on there, you get paid for it. So if you're a dab hand with a camera, or you enjoy messing around with images or anything like this, then you can make an absolute killing on here, doing something that you love. Okay, so that's Shutterstock. On from Shutterstock, something here which is completely different. This is rover.com. Now, if you like dogs, or cats for that matter, because it caters for both, you can get paid to look after other people's pets. As you can see here, $25 per night to look after someone's pet. We'll have a look. This is just a random place I just picked in United States. $30, $20. You just come in, you put your detail and your profile up here. You then become available. Anyone in your local area looking for a dog sitter has the opportunity to find you, and you get paid for doing what you love and looking after someone's pet. Okay, so if you're not techie minded, you don't know, have a go at it. It's an easy way to make money. Okay, what we're moving on to now, this is called Udemy. Okay, this is all about courses. So you can come on here, you can create a course, okay, and then you can sell your courses on here. Okay, so what a lot of these do, you see these might look very cheap, but that's because they're on special offer. And how these work, you do a basic course at the front end, somebody comes along, buys it at $11.99, you then resell them and upsell them other bits and pieces. Okay, if we have a look, an entire MBA, 94% off, was $200, and before this flipped off, I think it had on there that this course had sold over 20,000 times. I'll see if it will pick it up again. So if you think about it, even if you went off the, I'm just going to use the, there you go, Python Bootcamp. I don't even know what Python is, but if I go on my calculator, even if we sold that at the bargain price of $11.99, remember, once you've built a course, it stays on there forever. You can just keep reselling and reselling. It sold 122,111 times. Jesus. That person who run that course has made just short of £1.5 million off one course, okay, which has been designed once, built once, and put out. Even there, next to it, if you wrote a course about whatever you learn, I don't even know what Unreal Engine is. Sounds like game programming sort of stuff. That's at $11.99. That's at the cheap end, times 30,615. That person or that company has made 367,000 euros from that course. Okay, absolute genius. So, and everybody has got courses in them that they can turn around, use their knowledge about whatever they love or whatever they're passionate about, and turn it into a business. Okay, so from Udemy, we've got this one, which is called Fiverr. Again, as a digital marketer, I use Fiverr all the time. And what this does, you can offer services on here or whatever you are good at. And you can charge anywhere. It's called Fiverr, however, generally a majority of things, starting at 770 quid for a logo. I don't think I'd bother with that. But people will pay this sort of money. And if you're good at designing logos, put it out there. You can buy software that you can do that. Here, the software 99 motivational quotes. I use this service, or a service very similar to it, on my Instagram account. So I pay somebody to provide this for me with my logo on it. They send it to me. It's normally about $30 because this is the very cheapest one, so you'll get a limited amount, but you can upgrade and upgrade and upgrade. So have a look. Just go into here. $99. There you go. So you got, come back. $5, $15, and $30 if it will stay on. I don't know why it keeps bouncing up. It's changed it into pounds now. So for 25, 1,000 motivational quotes. Once these are done, and you've created them once, you just plug them into your software and put the person's logo onto it. Dead easy. And you could just resell and resell and resell. And that is the beauty of digital marketing, is you can do things once, create a good product or a good whatever, and you can just keep reselling it and reselling it. So you're no longer exchanging time for money. You're starting to work smarter and use the internet to your advantage. Okay, from now, where are we? Aliexpress. Aliexpress is a Chinese-based company where you can come on here and buy stuff for super, super cheap. Okay, I'll give you an example. United Nations medal, if it comes up, it's like a coin thing. This here, you can purchase, well, that's the same one now, for $1. You can sell these on eBay, on Amazon, to British servicemen who have served on the United Nations for anywhere. $9.99, $12.99, $4.99, and you're paying $1 for it. So you're making a massive markup. The other beauty with Aliexpress is it's a drop shipping company, which means you don't even have to have the items in stock. You sell the item, you then contact Aliexpress, and then you can get that item shipped directly to the customer. And that's how a lot of people on eBay and Amazon make a hell of a lot of money, by using something called drop shipping. Okay, so that's Aliexpress. Also, if you're looking to buy stuff on the cheap, then it's always worth having a look in there. Okay, this last one is my personal favourite, and for anyone who's interested in making money online, whether it's creating digital courses, whether it's affiliate marketing, and numerous other ones, being a coach and delivering your skills and services to other people, you need to check out Legendary Marketer. Now, with Legendary Marketer, I'll put a link down below for a free course, so you can get an idea of what it's all about. It's a 15-part course, gives you all the basics you need to start affiliate marketing. Highly recommended, and like I said, it's free. So check that out. The other great thing with this, it has a fantastic affiliate system built into it. So once you learn the skills within Legendary Marketer, you can then start promoting Legendary Marketer yourself and making money off of this program. So they call it Earn While You Learn. So highly recommended. And like I said, even if you just go across, get the free course, it's fantastic. Okay, so I believe, yep, that was 11 or 12 I actually went through there. I'm only skimming the surface. I think I'll be doing some more videos based on this for you to sort of come along and enjoy and see what it's all about, because there are masses and masses of ways to make money online. I've been doing it for over 10 years, and I'm just trying to help people to start doing it themselves, because with the way the world is, when we all get old, and I'm already nearly there, there's going to be no pensions, there's going to be no money available, and unless you start planning now and getting ahead and generating your own future and your financial security, we might find ourselves in a lot of trouble. We're in the information age now, and use the power of the internet and information to make yourself happy and comfortable and create a good passive income online. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed the video. Leave me a thumbs up or give me a comment down below, and I'll answer any comments. Also, if you want to hear more ways of making money online, which I'll be covering, then please hit the subscribe button, and I'll be in touch with more and more information as we go along. Okay, thank you very much.